everyone, Ray here. So may comment dito asking whether may kaltas ba ang dividends sa GoTrade. We're gonna talk about that and more on this video, so stay tuned. First things first, what are dividends? A dividend is where a company decides to distribute some of their profits to their shareholders. Parang it's a way to reward their shareholders for investing in their company. Dividends can be either regular, ibig sabihin, nagbibigay sila quarterly, or declared beforehand kung ano yung ibibigay nilang dividends. Or special, where the companies pay extra rewards na hindi naman nasa schedule and usually one-off siya. Now, hindi lahat ng company nagbibigay ng dividends. In GoTrade, how do we know which companies do? Pagka-login nyo, click nyo tong search. And then, hanap lang kayo ng company na pag-iinvestan. So, for example, sa tech giants tayo. And let's click tong si Tesla. Scroll down and under market stats, makikita nyo yung dividend yield. Click natin tong show more. Pag NA siya, ibig sabihin walang binibigay na dividend yield. Okay, let's try to look for another one. Airbnb. Wala din si Airbnb. If we go to Apple, meron siyang binibigay na 0.46% dividend yield. So again, ibig sabihin nito, nagbibigay siya ng dividends. Si Alibaba naman is 2.55% dividend yield. So pag meron kayo nakikitang dividend yield, ibig sabihin, nagbibigay ng dividends yung company. Dividend yield shows how much a company pays out in dividends each year relative to its stock price. So total dividends siya paid in the last 12 months divided by the last close price no stock. For example, itong si Alibaba with a 2.55% dividend yield. May makukuha kayong $0.0255 na dividends every year for every $1 na ininvest nyo on the company. So if you have $100, ang total dividends mo for that year would be $2.55. Dividends are not fixed amounts. Nagdedepende yan sa performance ng company. By the way, to know more about how I pick my stocks, check this video. So if you invest in a company and nagbibigay sila ng dividends, your shares will also earn dividends. These are subject to a withholding tax and this tax is deducted at source. Which means itong tax na to, you have to pay whether you like it or not. So to answer the question, yes, meron na deduct sa dividends, which is yung tax. For fractional positions, dividends may not be paid, depending on the size of your position. If sobrang maliit, posibleng hindi ka makakuha ng dividends. For example, if the dividend you are due to earn is less than 1 cent, you will not be receiving anything because no one can pay a fraction of a cent. When are dividends paid out? When dealing with dividends, there are 3 important dates that you need to take note of. This will help you determine kung makaka-receive kayo ng dividends or not. The ex-dividend date or ex-date, record date, and dividend payable date. In order to check these dates, pwede nyong i-search si Google. So, for example, dito tayo kay dividendmax.com. The ex-dividend date or the ex-day is the day before the record date. If pumasok kayo sa date na to, you will not be eligible to receive the upcoming dividends of the year. So investors need to purchase the shares before the ex-dividend date. Record date is the cut-off date of the company that they will use to determine kung sino sa mga shareholders nila ang makakatanggap ng dividend. Dividend payable date naman is for the payment of the dividend. This is specified on the date after the record date. After nung date, mag-reflect yung dividends sa account nyo. And it usually takes about 3 business days. When you receive dividends, you will be notified via email. Similar to this. and dumidiretso yung dividend sa account nyo. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!